Welcome to our channel where today we dive into how to fix incorrect tax information on TurboTax quickly and efficiently without stress. Welcome to our channel where today we dive into how to fix incorrect tax information on TurboTax quickly and efficiently without stress. If you've noticed an error in your tax return inputs or details after submission, don't worry. Correcting these mistakes is straightforward when you follow the right steps. First, log into your TurboTax account and locate your most recent tax return. Once you've opened the tax file, carefully review the sections where the errors appeared, whether it be personal information, income details, or deductions. If you spot the mistake before filing, TurboTax allows you to simply edit the fields directly by navigating to the appropriate section and updating the incorrect information. Make sure to save your changes as you go along. However, if your return has already been filed and accepted by the IRS, you will need to file an amended tax return, known as Form 1040X, using TurboTax's amendment feature. To do this, start by selecting the option to amend a filed return from your tax dashboard. TurboTax guides you through entering the corrected information step by step, ensuring precise updates to your tax records. After completing the corrections, carefully review your amended return for accuracy. Then, you'll submit it electronically or via mail following the instructions provided in TurboTax. Remember, amended returns can take several weeks for the IRS to process, so patience is key. During this time, keep a copy of your original and amended returns for your records. Keeping all documentation organized can help if you need to follow up with TurboTax support or the IRS. By following these quick steps, you can fix incorrect tax information on TurboTax confidently and maintain your financial records accurately. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more useful tips on managing your taxes efficiently.